Good morning. See, today I would like to refer a case uh, by which you could understand what all are the regulations for the hospitals and clinical establishment and the consulting group of medical practitioners. And also, this judgment may enable you how to challenge virus of any of the act. But unfortunately, in the given case, the Act 1997 was challenged in the year 2019. AR 2020 Madras 75 Madurai bench, Chief Justice A.B. Shah and Subramaniam Prasad. Both are very super fast judges, understanding the cases and always dispose the cases with precise discussion. They never, so far I have my observation is concerned, wasted time in delivering pages running judgments. See, in the given case, the petitioner having affected by imposition of registration of his clinical establishment rushed to the court. Dharma Balan versus Secretary, Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Tamil Nadu, Chennai. He challenged the virus of the Act, Tamil Nadu Private Clinical Establishment Act, Section 4 of 1997, Act 4 of 1997, which was subsequently amended by Act 19 of 2018, and consequently rules pertaining to the Act. They have challenged this. They have challenged Section 2A, 3, 4, 5 of Act, as well as Rule 6, 7, 8, 11 and 12 of the Private Clinical Establishments rules. You kindly go through the entirety of judgment. The judgment discuss about various provisions of the Act. What all are the definition for clerical establishment and hospitals and other things are there, and also how to apply for and what all are the conditions after getting the certificate of registration. So many things are there. You can go through what all are the apparatus should be there, how much square feet a clinical establishment must have, and out of that space, how much the doctors should occupy and how much spaces should be allowed for the patients, who all are the staffs to maintain and what all are the records to be maintained. This deals with the hospitals look out, and you can if observe that any establishment irrespective of either MBBS doctor or homeopathy, whatever may be, all are brought under this Act. Now you see how this Act was challenged. Main ground was that the Act and rules treats unequals as equals, unequals as equals. The claim of the writ petitioner was that my hospital is a dispensary, a small, by which ordinary doctor, a budding doctor used to give consultation, prescribe the medicines. And they say that the clinical establishment is something a different thing. So all the rules should not be applied to me because I am unequal. I may not be treated with equal. This is the ground they have. Then, then the another ground, the High Court has held that the writ petitioner did not challenge the competence of the state government to bring out this legislation. So, in order to challenge the virus of the Act, you can challenge the competence of the state government. And if for that you have to go through the list union list, concurrent list as well as state list, and that should be read with a law of inconsistency, occupied field, all these doctrines should be applicable. And finally, they have said that this act was challenged under 191G. 191G is a fundamental rights part 3 of the Constitution of India, wherein you can claim that this will affect your right to propose. This therefore the writ petition was dismissed. Kindly go through the entirety of the judgment so that you can, if you are publicly interested, can file a complaint against the hospitals which does not have proper spaces and facilities as contemplated under this act. And if he is not maintaining proper accounts or records, or if you are aware of that. Thank you very much, best wishes. And finally, I want to say that one of my subscriber has stated that you are discussing the judgment in Tamil, in English and not in Tamil. It is not practically correct. Simultaneously, I am telecasting both English and Tamil and posting it, but I have a little bit lack of this technical process, how to hack stack all these things. That slowly I will learn, and then it will be very useful for you also. And side by side, if any opinion is given that may, if somewhat disturb you, you ignore that. See, I am in the habit of from the childhood that anything, because I used to say whatever may be my thinking that I am somewhat too much of an elderly person to give advice. If it is not suitable, you ignore it. And that are justices.